Hello, Namaste, welcome to All in One by Joy. Today I am going to show you how to make Kala Chana Sundal. It is simple and easy to make recipe for prasad. Kala Chana Sundal are healthy and guilt-free snack which you can have any time of the day. So let's get started. Take 1 cup of black chickpeas in a pressure cooker. Wash them 3 to 4 times and soak it overnight. Next morning, black chickpeas are double in size. Pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles or until they are completely cooked. Once the pressure is released, open the cooker. Now drain it and keep it aside. Heat oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds. When it splutters, add urad dal. Saute for a little bit. When urad dal turns golden brown, add asafoetida, broken red chili and green chili, chopped curry leaves, sesame seeds and roast it for a few seconds. Now add coconut flakes and mix it very well. Add black chickpeas and mix everything really good. Add rock salt and lemon juice and mix everything very well. And cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now Kala Chana Sundal Prasad is ready to offer it to God. And enjoy it with a cup of tea or coffee. Garnish it with some cilantro. If you like this video, please like, comment and share it with your friends and loved ones. It will keep me motivated. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. Love you all. Take care.